The British Isles has many stories of haunted conveyances. There are phantom carriages, sometimes driven by headless coachmen, and occasionally drawn by horses who also have no heads. There are ghost ships which are said to appear off the coasts of Britain, sometimes to mark the anniversaries of terrible nautical catastrophes. And of course there are ghost trains. Some are associated with fatal accidents and have been seen reenacting crashes, explosions, and even plunges from collapsing bridges. The last goods train ran through Derby Friargate Station in 1968. Passenger trains had ceased using the line about 4 years earlier. So it may surprise you when I say that years after the passing trains and even the station itself had evaporated into mere memory, I saw a distinctly old-fashioned locomotive pulling several carriages over Friargate Bridge, puffing clouds of steam and sounding its shrill whistle. For a long time afterwards, I supposed that I had received a very rare or possibly even a unique experience. But I was wrong. It turns out that there are many documented instances of people seeing or hearing the phantom train going over the bridge at Friargate. The only possible difference between my sighting and most of the others is that I saw the train in broad daylight.